Okay, welcome back everybody. So the next thing that we need to do, um, we don't want to create a new project yet. We want to look for an official release. We want to install an editor. And let's grab Unity 6.2 just because. And we want Linux support, which is IL2 CPP. I don't know if we want, no, we don't want dedicated server build support just yet. We'll worry about that later. What else can we build for? Android, no. iOS, no. Vision OS, never heard of that. Mac build. Guess I can't export to a Nintendo. Anyway, let's just do this one right here. Now, it's going to have to download this whole big thing up here. So this install is queued, but it's going to probably take some time to do this. But that's just all we got to do is wait for it. In the meantime, while I'm waiting for that, what else can we take a look at here? Let's see, we can learn. Okay. And see different projects to get started with. Create code, beginner course. Okay, great. Downloaded. Oh, we haven't downloaded anything yet. Recommended. There's nothing recommended yet. Resources. Discussions, Unity AI Asset Store. If any of this stuff interests you, you can look at it. This tells you about the license. Installs projects. We can import projects. This up here tells us I think we can get stuff from Unity version control. It looks like GitHub. But let's check it out. Anything else to do here right now? Downloads in progress to 65%. This can be a lengthy process. I don't know, I'm just doing it in real time. Kind of wish there's a little bit more to look at. Connect to the project cloud, star projects. I don't have any projects to star yet. Create a new project or select your projects folder to get started. Nope, don't have any new projects yet. Excuse me. So where are we? Install queued, install queued. So now I believe we gotta run through the operations of installing, installed queued. Okay. So we gotta run through the installing the editor and then also installing build support for Linux, and that's what we're doing. Okay. And it's probably just the most exciting stuff that you've ever met. Let's see what this button does. Oh, that button. Ah, that button hides stuff. Okay, great. And let's see what that button does. Projects, installs, appearance, notification, light, dark theme. Nice. Hide the hub to Linux menu bar when Unity editor. Hide the hub. I don't think I care about that. Advanced Unity hub. Okay. Installs. That's where my path is. Hub editor. Okay. Set a number of concurrent downloads within allowed 2 to 20 range. Okay. I don't know what that means. Project locations. Remove missing projects. Oh, I wonder. Okay. Well, let's see what we're doing so far. Still installing the editor. It's probably the biggest one. Well, let's see here. That's not what we want. Kind of just seeing how long it takes for this all to happen. And in the meantime, 02 completed. Okay, so let's open a new incognito window. And let's go to Unity. Type in unity.com. And let us bring up let's see here. I think that's it. Get rid of the hub real quick. Get rid of VS Code real quick. Oh, that's the wrong incognito. No. Should be that one. But that's not. That's the game course that I'm starting to take. There's another. Should be getting this one right here called real time. Let's try that. Okay, that's why. There we go. Now we have this Unity window. Okay. Let's go back and check hub. Okay, so we were gonna waste time goofing off on that, but now Unity Hub is loaded up. Where's Unity Hub? There we go, there's our hub. Okay, we're all back to normal now. So, let's look at our hub. So what, we got Unity installed, didn't we? How great is that? Okay, so installs, Unity 6.2, look at that. Okay. Now, let's open up a project and let's make it a new project. And oh, look at that, get started with Unity. Core sample. Let's say my project, and we will put it in that Unity folder. Let's see what this thing does. Get started. Oh, do I have to? No, let's don't do that. Let's do test 001. Okay, so we'll make a new local project. If I do this thing, I'll probably have to download more crap. You have not accepted the terms of the. Oh my gosh. I have a. Oh, rats. I did the wrong thing. Okay, test 001. Create the project. Agree to the thing. Accept and continue. Okay, now create the project. Here's our new Unity engine. New splash screen. They update their splash screen about every month and a half. Come on. I'm waiting for this little orange bar to get from here all the way over to here, I think. So this will be so much easier. Hopefully sometime between now and next week I'll be able to move my two stations around and get two monitors at this station. I put my single monitor over there on the other wall. Excuse me. And then I will be able to it'll make it a lot easier to make these videos with two monitors. So that's chugging along there. In future videos, we're probably just going to open up the engine and get everything ready before I turn on the camera. But right now, we're showing everybody the entire experience of what it's like, in case you get lost. Now, okay, so I got a pop-up that says this project contains one or more deprecated packages. Do you want to open the package manager? No, I don't want to right now. First, I want to show you what I'm looking at. So in order to do that, let me make another window here and call it Unity window and have it capture here it is. So that's what Unity looks like. Now I'm gonna transform this and I want it to fit to screen. So I guess it's just probably not going to do. Let's see here. Yeah, alright. That's what we get. It'll be different when as I'm working with it, but okay, so let's take a look at Unity. We want to click into this square here. We can move around, holding right click so I can look, holding the mouse button down so I can change elevation, and okay, right click, and then let's see, one of these, hold the right click, WASD, oops, yep, so there's our sun. Okay, tutorial, there's a readme. What's in the readme? Welcome to the Universal Render Pipeline. This template includes the settings and assets needed to start creating the Universal Render Pipeline. What's that universal? Do I need that? No. Nope. Let me make that one go away too. Okay. So, oh, tutorial info. No tutorial info. Input systems. It shouldn't have any of these. I'm not using a pre-made thing. Okay. Well, let's just close that out and close file. Let's just close that out. Sometimes it takes a while to close. There we go. And in the next video, we'll probably start working on a project or something. So that's what did we do here? We started up Unity. We loaded a Unity editor, and then we opened up a test project. So that's what we did here. All right. See you next time.